Hi everyone, my name is Giovanni Lucas from STAR CNC. We're here, we have our SB-20RII. It's actually our newest machine on our machine line. This is the successor to the SB-20RII, which is actually one of our best-selling machines in STAR history. It's the only machine to have over 15,000 serial number. So to follow up is kind of a big task, but I do believe that SB-20RII is up to it. We actually have some more tooling that's available. Some small changes rather than some of the built-in tooling, rather than being ER11, it's ER16. Everything else is a great design. As you can see, they updated the doors, a little bit different in the foot space, but it's essentially just a better version of our best-selling machine, so I can only see nothing but success for this guy.